The whole problem with the world is that fools and fanatics are always so certain of themselves, and wiser people so full of doubts. The fundamental cause of the trouble is that in the modern world the stupid are cocksure, while the intelligent are full of doubt. The good life is one inspired by love and guided by knowledge. Men are born ignorant, not stupid. They are made stupid by education. 3 passions, simple but overwhelmingly strong, have governed my life: the longing for love, the search for knowledge, and unbearable pity for the suffering of mankind. The only thing that will redeem mankind is cooperation. To be without some of the things you want is an indispensable part of happiness. I believe in using words, not fists. I believe in my outrage knowing people are living in boxes on the street. I believe in honesty. I believe in a good time. I believe in good food. I believe in sex. Fear is the main source of superstition and one of the main sources of cruelty. To conquer fear is the beginning of wisdom. It is possible that mankind is on the threshold of a golden age, but if so, it will be necessary first to slay the dragon that guards the door, and this dragon is religion. To teach how to live without certainty and yet without being paralyzed by hesitation is perhaps the chief thing that philosophy in our age can do for those who study it. Patriotism is the willingness to kill and be killed for trivial reasons. Of all forms of caution, caution in love is perhaps the most fatal to true happiness. Patriots always talk of dying for their country and never of killing for their country. In all affairs, it's a healthy thing now and then to hang a question mark on the things you have long taken for granted. Freedom in general may be defined as the absence of obstacles to the realization of desires. Do not fear to be eccentric in opinion, for every opinion now accepted was once eccentric. Work is of 2 kinds. First, altering the position of matter at or near the Earth's surface relative to other matter. Second, telling other people to do so.